If you're playing Roblox on Android and want to follow another player, this video will walk you through the steps. Let's jump right in. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone. Now tap the magnifying glass icon located at the top of your screen. Then type the exact username of the person you want to follow. After hitting enter, tap the In People category. Next, tap on the person's avatar or username. Then scroll a little bit and tap the View Full Profile. After that, tap the three dots next to the Add Connection option. A menu will pop up. Now tap Follow and the button will change to Unfollow to confirm it. That's it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.